Hello beautiful person watching, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I roast this air fryer whole stuffed Cajun chicken. Now this chicken tastes so delicious right to the bone marrows, and I'm also going to show you how you can make your own homemade Cajun or Creole seasoning. This seasoning comes so handy, especially on nights that you are so busy and you really need to put something together, especially in your air fryer. Keep on watching, but before we jump into the recipe, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this video, and please do consider hitting that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video so you can support my channel to grow. Thank you so much. So we are going to start first of all by putting together our Creole Cajun spice blend before we can proceed to roast our chicken. So I have over here some paprika, dried oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and have some white pepper, dried parsley, dried basil, rosemary, black pepper, and some thyme. We're going to put this together, and I usually make the spice blend and I just keep some. So I'm going to show you how I store them so that in the future you just use right away. Mixing bowl, and to that I'm going to go in with a paprika, dried oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, dried thyme, black pepper, rosemary, white pepper, cayenne pepper, parsley, and the basil. I'm just going to mix everything to combine properly. So I do have some storage containers here, like this. You want to make sure that it's stored in an airtight container so all the flavors from your seasoning can stay in there. Just make sure that it's tight, and then I'm just gonna save this, and we are going to keep the rest for our chicken. So our chicken has been properly washed, as you can see. I'm just going to use my scissors a little bit, and I'll just trim off some of this excess fat right here. So, and then I'm going to pat dry our chicken. So it's very important that you dry your chicken properly. So I'll just use this paper towel, just pat it dry right now. So we are going to start by marinating our chicken. So I have here my Creole Cajun seasoning. So what I did with this seasoning is I went ahead and added my salt. So make sure you add your salt to taste. That's the reason why we don't put any salt inside, because you want to make sure that you adjust your salt to suit your taste buds. If you want to add any extra dried spice, dried herbs, or maybe any chicken bouillon seasoning, you can go ahead and add it totally in this mixture. As well, we are going to stuff our chicken. So I have here some celery, I have here some onion, and I also have 2 cloves of garlic we are going to stuff our chicken with. So I'm going to start by going with some oil. I have a little bit of avocado oil right here, and I'm just going to pour it on the chicken. And the reason why we are doing this is so our seasoning can adhere to the spice to the chicken, and the chicken doesn't dry out once it is roasting as well. So you just want to make sure that you pour a little bit and just rub it all around, flip it over. And I'm going to start first with the seasoning by going inside. So I'll just pour a little bit inside so our chicken is properly seasoned. Good. and just go all over. So you want to rub the chicken a generous amount. The seasoning is well coated all around. Now flip it over. So I'm going to just cut the onion into two, and I'll just stuff it in. This is going to make sure that our chicken has a lot of flavor to it. I'll just break the celery as well. Just fit it in properly. And then for our garlic, I'm just going to smash it with my knife like this. And I'll put the garlic inside as well. Just throw it in there. And now I have this twine. I'm just going to hold the legs together. So that it can stay together while it's roasting. Like so. And then we're going to put it in the air fryer. So we are going to put our chicken. We are going to put it breast facing down. Let's check our chicken. It's been cooking for 15 minutes right now, and you can see it's cooking beautifully. And also, if you find that your chicken is drying out, you want to put a little bit of oil and just dab it on like this. If you find that it's roasting and drying out, so that, because we don't want our chicken drying while it's baked. It's all good, and then pop it right back in. So once we flip our chicken over to the breast side, what I did was I just sprinkled some extra Cajun or Creole seasoning on top of there, because I really want more and more of my seasoning on the chicken as well. I just put about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, measured room temperature. I just put it on the chicken and it's gonna melt, and what this does is it's gonna help with the crisp. If you really want your chicken to be extra crispy, make sure you put a little bit of butter on there, and especially the breast gets dried out easily, so this butter is also gonna prevent it from drying out. Thank you so much for watching this video with me today, and I hope that you did find it helpful. Please, if you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell, because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. And for those that are already subscribed to my channel, thank you all for your support and your love. And until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.